camera reads your car license plate, checks your booking ticket is automatically printed. When you retrieve the ticket, the barrier will open. Do not press ticket button. Use the help phone button on side to contact us.
Okej, så jag kör fram och kameran skannar mina plåtar.
Yes.
Och sen så kommer det ut en biljett och den tar jag. Och ja, så öppnas bommen.
Airport
Straightforward.
guys. Ah, there's a hotel.
Yeah, it hasn't been there before.
Oh,
I guess. Or
really? I
I
don't
don't
know.
remember.
Because you did not check.
Let's see now. P4 straightforward 800.
So, punta na kami ng parking, guys. This is the airport, Beauty Boys Airport. Going to our gate, guys, C16. So, nandito na kami sa Amsterdam. Tapos, pa-Faro pa kami, Portugal. So, ito yung airport sa Amsterdam, guys. Yan yung mga boarding gates. Kabilaan. I did not use the stand because it's very obvious.
Yes, yes.
There. Kiosk. Boarding na sila. Doon. Mag-explore muna kami, guys. Hanap kami ng kakainan. Naghanap siya ng real burger daw. Grab and fly. Oh, maraming choices.
Oh.
Coffee. Coffee. Huh? Later. Later. Later, alligator.